In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DNA animation in PowerPoint step by step. And the best part is, you can do it using built-in tools without needing any extra software. This is a great effect if you want to make your presentation look more professional, more scientific, or just more visually interesting. Whether you're making a biology lesson, a medical presentation, or a futuristic intro slide, this simple animation can make a big difference. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to create the DNA animation. On the top menu, click Insert, then choose Icons. This will open the icon library inside PowerPoint. In the search box, type DNA and press Enter. You should see a DNA icon appear in the results. Click on the icon you want, then hit Insert to place it onto your slide. Once the icon is on the slide, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles so it looks the way you want. Next, it's time to style the icon. Click the DNA icon to select it, then go to the Graphics Format tab at the top. From here, you can change the color to something that fits your design, like blue or purple. These colors usually work really well for DNA visuals because they give a clean science-themed look. You can also add effects like glow or shadow to make the icon stand out more against the background. A little glow can make it look more futuristic, while a shadow can add depth and make the animation pop. Take a moment here to adjust the style until it feels right for your slide. Now comes the fun part, the animation. With the DNA icon still selected, go to the Animations tab and click Add Animation. From the list of effects, you can choose Spin if you want the DNA icon to rotate continuously, or grow/shrink if you want a pulsing effect instead. Spin is ideal if you want the animation to feel like it's moving in a smooth loop, while grow/shrink gives it a subtle breathing or heartbeat effect. Choose the ones that best matches the look you're going for. After you add the animation, open the animation pane so you can control the timing more precisely. In the animation pane, click on the animation and go to timing. Here, set Start to with Previous so the animation begins automatically without needing a click. Then find the Repeat option and change it to Until End of Slide. This is the key step that makes the DNA icon loop continuously for the entire slide. If you want the effect to feel smoother, you can also adjust the duration so the spin or pulse isn't too fast. A slightly slower motion usually looks cleaner and more professional. Once those settings are in place, play the slide to preview the result. You should now see your DNA icon animating continuously on its own. It will keep spinning or pulsing until the slide ends, which creates a nice looping science effect, and that's it. You've just learned how to make a DNA animation in PowerPoint using an icon, some simple styling, and a looping animation setup. This is a quick and easy way to make your slides look more dynamic and polished. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what PowerPoint effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.